Hello, kindergarten. Look where I am. I know, it's crazy. I miss being here with you guys so much. I came back today to get your new homework packs ready, and I thought while I was here, I would read you a story in our classroom. And yes, I know that's fallen down right there. When we're not here, stuff starts to come apart on us. So I'll fix that before I leave. But I have a story, and it's actually a story that Harley brought to school for me to read to you guys, and I never got a chance to before we had to leave. So I thought I would read that today, called Grumpy Cat. I'm very excited to read this, so let me scooch up so you can see better. And it says right there, belongs to Harley. Once there was a little cat. She was cute, she was furry, and she was grumpy. Grumpy Cat did not like anything. Grumpy Cat, she went outside. She wanted to be alone. But soon a happy butterfly started talking to her. Grumpy Cat didn't know the butterfly's name, and she didn't care. Hi, Grumpy Cat, the butterfly said. You know what's great about outdoors? Nothing, said Grumpy Cat. Well, that wasn't very nice. Grumpy Cat wanted the happy butterfly to go away, but it didn't. Good morning, Grumpy Cat, the ladybug said. And there's the ladybug. There's no such thing, Grumpy Cat said. Grumpy Cat, would you like to play? Asked the butterfly. Grumpy Cat wouldn't. Come on, it'll be fun, Ladybug said. I had fun once, Grumpy Cat said. It was awful. She really is grumpy. A joyful bird joined in. Grumpy Cat was surrounded by happy animals. Grumpy Cat, there just must be something fun that you would do, the bird said. I know. Would you like to race? I wonder if Grumpy Cat will race. Would Grumpy Cat? Ready, set, let's see. No, Grumpy Cat wouldn't. He said no. And there go the others. They're happy and they're racing. The happy animals raced all away. Grumpy Cat was alone. Good, said Grumpy Cat. The end. Oh, I liked that book, Harley. Thank you for sharing that with us. That Grumpy Cat really is grumpy, and he's okay with it. That is crazy. Well, I hope you guys are not grumpy at home. I hope you're happy and enjoying your time with family and doing some hard work at home. I miss you guys very much, and this classroom misses you very much. Just keep smiling and having fun, all right? I'll see you guys soon.